Quiz on earthquake and volcanoes. Which country has the most volcanoes than anywhere in the world? USA, Japan, Australia, Indonesia. The right answer is USA. An area within the Earth's mantle where rocks melt to generate magma and it occurs above the plum is known as a ring of fire, hot spot, red spot, hot plums. The right answer is hot spot. Which of the following is the most dangerous type of volcano? Composite volcanoes, shield volcanoes, cinder volcanoes, lava domes. The right answer is composite volcanoes. Which tool is used to detect a volcanic eruption before it happens? Volcanometer, GPS, seismographs, COSPEC. The right answer is seismographs. Which of the following is the largest active volcano in the world? Santa Maria, Guatemala, Tsukushima, Japan, Mauna Loa, Hawaii, Mount Merapi, Indonesia. The right answer is Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Molten rock or semi-fluid within or below the Earth's crust from which lava is formed is known as magma, ring of fire, hot spot, mantle plums. The right answer is magma. An active volcano that is sleeping but is expected to erupt again is known as extinct volcano, active volcano, dormant volcano, sleeping volcano. The right answer is dormant volcano. Where do 60% of all active volcanoes occur on the earth? At the equator, at the mountains, at the boundaries between tectonic plates, on land surface. The right answer is at the boundaries between tectonic plates. Which of the following continent has no active volcano? Australia, Africa, South America, Asia. The right answer is Australia. Which country has the most active volcanoes in the world? Australia, USA, Japan, Indonesia. The right answer is Indonesia. Which of the following type of volcano is composed of fluid lava with low viscosity? Lava domes, shield volcanoes, cinder volcanoes, composite volcanoes. The right answer is shield volcanoes. A tube in a volcano that carries hot melted rock to the surface is called crater, fault, magma chamber, vent. The right answer is vent. Which of the following instrument is used by the scientists to measure the magnitude of an earthquake? Mercalli scale, seismographs, earthquake meter, Richter scale. The right answer is Richter scale. Which of the following countries has the most earthquakes in the world? USA, Japan, China, UK. The right answer is Japan. Which of the following city has the largest earthquakes ever recorded? Prince William Sound, Alaska, Sendai, Japan, Valdivia, Chile, Sumatra, Indonesia. The right answer is Valdivia, Chile. An elastic wave produced by earthquake that travels through the earth is known as microwave, quake wave, shake wave, seismic wave. The right answer is seismic wave. Which of the following is the major cause of the tsunami? Earth's tidal force, underwater earthquake, meteor impacts, ocean currents. The right answer is underwater earthquake. The location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts is known as hypocenter, epicenter, mantle, quake center. The right answer is hypocenter. Which of the following continent has the least earthquake? Asia, Australia, Antarctica, South America. The right answer is Antarctica. Which of the following US state has the highest risk of earthquake? Washington DC, Los Angeles, Texas, Alaska. The right answer is Alaska, where 80% of the entire world's earthquake occurs. San Andreas Fault, Sendai, Japan, Mid-Atlantic Ridge, Circum-Pacific Belt, that is Ring of Fire. The right answer is Circum-Pacific Belt. Which of the following ocean has the most earthquakes? Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. The right answer is Pacific Ocean. Which of the following is the cause of earthquake? Meteor impacts, volcanic eruptions, movement of tectonic plates, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. The location directly above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth is known as mantle, quake center, epicenter, shake center. The right answer is epicenter. A break in the earth's crust along which rocks move is known as an earthquake, epicenter, a fault, a volcano. The right answer is a fault. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.